If you are experiencing red spots on your buttocks, just know this common skin condition, often mistaken for acne, is usually an inflammation of the hair follicles. Other causes include keratosis pilaris, boils, contact dermatitis, and eczema. These conditions are normal, treatable, and frequently caused by bacterial infection, but can also be triggered by friction from tight clothing or clogged hair follicles due to thick moisturizers and excessive sweating. Mild cases may resolve within 2 weeks, but you should consult a doctor or dermatologist if you suspect an infection or develop serious symptoms like fever or painful spots. Treatment options include washing the area with benzoyl peroxide, applying a vinegar compress, or taking a bleach bath for bacterial cases, alongside preventative measures such as wearing loose clothing, showering immediately after exercise, and avoiding oil-rich products.